What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into another IAA walk around. All right, next up, guys, we have a Jeep Gladiator. And you know what's crazy about these Jeeps? Sometimes they'll get totaled not because of the damage, but because you can't get parts for the damn things. Yeah. We'll walk around this one. It is a 2021. All right, I don't really see any damage over here. The window looks to be broken or stuck down. I'm going to assume broken. Yeah, there's no window in there. I don't see any glass, so at least they cleaned that up. Yeah, interior looks okay. This is a good little project right here. You have a bunch of parts and components here. Interior components, doormats, the whole nine. I'm guessing that's going to come from the other side, which we'll see in a minute. Yep, you can see that rear bumper is gone and removed. All right, and now we're going to get into the damage. And you guys can see the rear corner right here of the cab. Now here's the thing, for real, honestly, I think the damage that I'm seeing here right now could possibly be PDR removed. I'm not seeing any cracks in the paint. I mean, I see that right there. I don't know if that's normal. I have to go look at the other side, but I see where this is all taken apart here. The seats are all taken out. And I'm guessing there is some damage back here that I'm not seeing. I don't see anything. I don't see any ripples or anything here in the floor. I wonder why they disassembled all this. Huh. But the seats and everything are here. Now I see this right here, right? This buckle and stuff right here. But I'm willing to bet, outside of these little scrapes right here, this could probably be pulled out. I mean, the door closes, the body lines are still good. That door could probably also be fixed. I mean, you could probably metal work this and make it passable. You know, like pull that stuff out, sand it, paint it. And what I'm talking about is they tack weld and they pull. I'll have to see if I can find a comparable video and show you guys what I'm talking about. Because, yeah, I mean, I'm looking at it here. 100% for sure that could be fixed on that side. So I wonder why this is totaled. That's crazy. Little ding right here, but everything else looks good. Windshield is cracked. That sucks. It is a run and drive. Huh. I mean, if you wanted to get a Gladiator, you probably could pick this thing up fairly cheap. No, TK. No, why would you look at this? Oh, parts, man. Damn, it doesn't have the same headlights as mine. I am looking for another one of mine, what they call a G30 model, whether it's a 550, 530, 540, in crashed condition. It doesn't have to be nice. It could be all levels of effed up, and I don't care. I just need it to be in good condition so that I can get the nice, wonderful parts that I would like to have for my car when stuff breaks, like my headlights and things like that. I would never put it back on the road. I would literally keep it just for parts. What size are these wheels? They're 19s. Those are nice. All right, this one's a little too far gone for me. Now there is a Challenger over here somewhere on my list. I think we found it. There she is. I kind of like that blue for real. That buckle in the rear quarter though. You see that right there? Oof. Now I know some people yell at me because I talk about just reskinning this. This is something where I'd probably see if a body guy could metal work that, right? It's not bad enough where I think I would, you know, even if it wasn't perfect, you know, mil spec perfect, I'd probably take, yeah, this thing got hit really hard up the ass, man. 2022 Dodge Challenger. Does run and drive. But you can see the buckle and the fender on both sides, which means there's probably frame damage. And that sucks. And this is probably just a V6. You know, some people get mad when I say this, but I'm going to be honest. It's a food stamp Challenger. Don't get mad. There's keys in here. How about we check? Let's find out if it's a food stamp Challenger. Let me see if I can get this to go back. Get the seat to go back. Food stamp Challenger in 3. Well, that seat don't sound good. FCA quality, boy, let me tell you. This is 2022. 3, 2, 1. Gotta love that rattling V6 when it fires up. What a crap engine, man. Not saying that the 3.6, I know they put it in Jeeps and stuff. It's just, wow. Alright, well, we know it's a food stamp Challenger now with the mini screen. We ain't gotta waste no time on this. Alright guys, I figure I might look at one more and then we'll jump into the live auction and see what some of the vehicles are actually selling for. Oh, can we find something decent? Because those are the only ones I had on my list. And then for tomorrow's video, guys, I got a bunch of trucks for you because that's what you guys have asked me for. Trucks, trucks, and more trucks. Oh, there's another Chally. I see an orange Chally. I love these old Mercedes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a 392. It's got Brembos. Whoa. No key, total off. Damn. From Toro too, huh? Oh, damn. Somebody effed that up. Totally fixable. I mean, that rim is destroyed. Suspension damage. Fender. Door is probably, no, not savable with this right back here. But the rear quarter definitely is repairable. Rims, suspension, fender. Huh. Door opens. Any bends? Yeah, it says buckle right there, but I'm not really seeing any. Food stamp seats. This is not the bad scat pack. This is not a scat pack that I would be afraid to buy. And I see the little crease here. You can work that out. Yeah, this right here, for the right money, yeah, why not, right? Why not? I could see this being a decent little pickup, man. For real. I could see this being a decent little pickup. Well, let me know what you think about this one in the comments. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today as far as the live walk around portion of today's video. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna jump over and get into the live auction. That's going to give you an idea of what some of these cars sell for out here at Insurance Auto Auctions, aka IAA. Make sure to give them a follow on social media. Go hit up their YouTube channel, all that good stuff. And make sure to subscribe here. I mean, damn, what the hell am I talking about? Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, like, share the video, put it on Facebook, do whatever you want to, like just share it out, put it out there. And yeah, we're going to keep it moving. But until next time, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. We're going to jump into the live auction and I'll finish up with you guys at the end. All right, guys, welcome on in. We are in the building and we're going to take a look and see what some of these cars are going for on the block today. There's just so many decent offers when it comes to the West Coast. It's not even funny. Let's go back to on the block.
Sale pending.
2018 Mini damn. You know why that happens? Is everybody sees that there's a good deal. Everybody sees that there's a good deal, right? So what happens is, when people see this, they all see that it was low and they all bid at the same time. And then what happens is, you think you're bidding whatever, and then it just goes, if you have auto bid set up, it just goes
Reserve off.
all the way up. It just bid all the way up. It's crazy. $7,000 for that Countryman
Time extended.
with 44,000 miles. I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. Well, they keep bidding though. Somebody in Mexico. These are all international bidders now. Damn. They're like, you know what? We can go back and forth all day. I hate when this happens. They literally hold the whole auction up because they want to get into a pissing contest. Like, if you know you're going to bid again, just bid. Don't wait
Time extended.
until it gets all the way to the end. You know what I'm saying? And then you weren't going to bid. You were going to let it go. And then because they gave you the extra time, you bid again anyway. Like, come on, man. That wasn't, you getting extra time wasn't God giving you extra time to bid, all right? Oh, it's meant to be. I got to bid.
Sold.